So before we start, we have to prepare all these materials that we will be using in our shoe shining. And now we will begin by preparing our cleaning rug and putting it in our lap so that we can put there our shoes that we will be cleaning later on. And then we will grab our polishing cloth, which we will be using in polishing our shoes. So as you can see, we have a pattern in folding our polishing cloth. In this way, we can comfortably polish the shoes. And you have to grab the shoes that you will be polishing. You have to polish it well before we apply the product and to the shoes later on. In polishing the shoe, we have to make sure that all parts of the shoes are polished well, including the heels part and the back part of the shoes. Moving on to the other pair of the shoe that we have polished earlier. As you can see, we are using the same polishing cloth. The only difference here is that we have to utilize the other side of the cloth. What I mean is the clean side of the polishing cloth. And again, we have to repeat the same process that we have applied a while ago. We have to thoroughly clean or thoroughly polish the shoe so that we can achieve the shining, shimmering, splendid result of our shoe shining. And now we have to set aside the shoes that we have polished, the same with the polishing cloth that we have used. And now we will be preparing the shoe polishing and the shoe polishing cloth that we will be using. Open the shoe shine, polish, and then get in an ample amount of it and apply it to the shoes. You have to carefully and aimlessly apply it to the sides, all sides of the shoes. As you can see, we are holding it firmly, especially the heel part, so that we can apply a better force in polishing our shoe. And this process is actually applicable to the other shoe that we will be polishing later on. In cleaning some parts of the shoe, we have to, or we better hold the shoe that way. As you have seen in the video, it is the most appropriate and the comfortable way to polish the back portion of our shoe. After applying shoe polish in the back portion of the shoe, we have to carefully brush that part so that we will achieve the good result of shoe polish. polishing. So after we thoroughly brush our shoe, we have now seen the result of our shoe polishing, and it is incredible. You have to set aside that pair of the shoe so that we can move on to the next pair of our shoe. So as I have said, we will be repeating the same process that we have done a while ago so that we can achieve the good consistency, or let's say the good outcome result of our shoe polishing. So the pair of the shoe that we have polished is completely done and have been polished well, as you can see. So after shoe shining, of course we have to tidy up everything so that we can have a clean and presentable space.